Yo, yo, yo. It's your boy MF Crypto here, aka Quanstradamus, aka the Wife Changer, once again. And as always, I'm on a mission to help you build generational wealth. Welcome back to the channel, my fellow subscribers. And for those of you who may be tuning in for the very first time, welcome in as well. Do yourselves a major favor if you haven't done so already. Hit that subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications because I provide the single greatest quant network and cryptocurrency gem updates on all of YouTube. I promote winning crypto projects and networks on this channel. Nothing less shall suffice. You have stumbled upon the holy grail of crypto, YouTube, home of the wife-changing digital assets. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm out to change some wives here. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. And let me tell ya, it is a doozy. Guys, this is a do or die week and moment in time for Quant Network's price action moving forward. As you can see, we are currently trading at 120.48 on the daily, and we are dropping like an anchor. I was one of the very select few on Twitter to tell you that this was coming weeks in advance. I told you we were marking the right shoulder crest. That is what you are seeing right here. Let's scroll down and let me explain this to you. I'm not going to get into very detailed TA. That is not what the channel is about here. Okay? What I am showing you is basically what is going to unfold here in the coming weeks and months for Quant, and the timing is absolutely dastardly. We are looking at a Fed pivot here in about a week, a little more than a week, December 14th. I believe that will bring even more bearish action coming down the pipeline. This is all flowing perfectly for this massive quant downtrend and price reversal that we have seen. And I told you up here, we were reversing. I told you we were headed down to the $100 range. We hit that. We went to as low as 95, ladies and gentlemen, right here. Let me see if I can pinpoint it. I can't get it, but we were down to as low as 95 at one point. We went to that $100 range. Quanstradamus, once again, right on the money. He doesn't play. Poppy don't play. He's here for you. Stop listening to the Moon Boy Schiller clowns that don't care about you. Everybody wants to troll me. Everybody wants to attack me, but I keep winning over and over again. And I tell you ahead of time. People that don't have a penny to their name continue to try to bash and say, I don't know what I'm talking about. I have real skin in this game. And if you do, you should be following me as well, because I am giving you spot on predictions before they happen. That's why I'm called Quanstradamus, the literal quant predictor of future events and price actions. Now that we have that out of the way, look at where we're at, and this is going to really illustrate it well for you. This is the yearly chart. This is what I believe to be the crest of the right shoulder. Boom, timed it perfectly. I told you to sell at 130. We're now at 120. If you shorted right when I told you, you are very heavily in the green and living the high life. Let me show you right here, okay? We are crested. Look at where this left shoulder is here, okay? And look at how it connects very well. See that line, that dotted line drawing right across. I believe we are on the right shoulder right at about this point in time, right here. And I believe we are about to experience that further downside. And we can revisit as low as $40. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not something that unfolds over a day or a few weeks even. This is a months-long process, so do not get it twisted. I am simply the messenger here and showing you what I believe to be the most likely TA event to unfold here moving forward. I'm telling you this because I want you to be able to buy in lower. I'm not telling you to sell any QNT. You never have to do that, ladies and gentlemen. This is never financial advice. I am strictly giving you my TA, my analysis of this incredible God token asset. There is nothing better in all of crypto than QNT. It is the God token, ladies and gentlemen, for a reason, and I cover it as often as I possibly can for your benefit. This is not just for my benefit. If this was about me, I would never even have started a YouTube channel in the first place. This is about the Quant community that I very much care for with all of my heart and all of my being. So, I will continue to bury the trolls and the naysayers and the perma moon boys, the QNT cult that only know up. I will give you the uncut raw analysis that you deserve. Now let's swap over to Twitter here so you can see winners win, Quant fam. I told you to short at $130. Quantradamus does this for real. I screenshotted this earlier. This is for you, ladies and gentlemen. I told you to sell right at about here when I started to see that playing out with the shooting star formation. Understand this. I am here to help you increase your Quant bag holdings. Whether you want to short, long, or anything in between, or wait till we see that lower price point for QNT, that is all up to you. Again, I'm never telling you to do one way or the other. All I'm simply giving you is insight into future price action through my own technical analysis. This is not some fantasy realm. This is real logical TA that continues to be proven correct time and time again. And we are starting to see that head and shoulders pattern formation play out, ladies and gentlemen. And if it does become validated, and it is looking increasingly likely that the head and shoulders is validated, we still have a long, long way to go down. If that crest of the right shoulder was at that 130, just above that 130 price point, we will see an extreme downward leg incoming in the future for QNT. I want you to understand that. Over here, notifications and DMs. These are from people, especially the DMs, of people on Twitter such as yourselves that thank me because they know that I am giving the uncut raw and I am giving them the truth and I am giving them accurate future price predictions and TA on QNT. Daddy, don't play, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to help you win. Not only me win, I want you to win as well. That's the whole purpose of my channel. There are hard times coming down the pipeline here as far as the economy is concerned, and it will only get worse if you understand the macro situation. And a lot of you, it's very clear that you do not, that attack me and say that we are going to flip bullish in the short to medium term. You just do not understand, and that is okay. You will continue to attack me. That is also okay. But do not ever question why. I come right back at you in the comment section. I have very little patience for the trolls who do not understand TA and are simply spouting off about their bullish sentiment. You do not understand where this market is headed. We still have significant downside that we are going to experience here. Never get it twisted. And you can go back and scroll through my Twitter page to see exactly when I told you to short, it was at 130 exactly once I had that confirmation that we were going lower. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we could chop sideways here for a period of time, headed back to the Quant chart here on the yearly. We could chop sideways for a more extended period of time before we experience that leg down. But I want you to understand that we are going sub 100 QNT again. That is all but a guarantee now that we have seen some more validation of this head and shoulders. I'm not saying it'll happen tonight or tomorrow or even a week from now, but I will give you the Quantstradamus guarantee that we go sub 100 again. That is an absolute stone cold fact, in my opinion. Unless we see a massive break to the upside, and I have continuously stated 150 as that psychological range. If we do not break above 150 very, very soon, ladies and gentlemen, we are headed sub 100 QNT with almost 100% certainty. And this is coming from the ultimate QNT fan. I love this asset. I know where it's headed in the long term, but I want you to be able to load up in the short to medium term and understand that you still have time and you can double and triple your bags on the way down. Not financial advice, but Quantstradamus is a man of the people. He shepherds the flock. Thank you for listening. Thank you for tuning in. This has been another feature presentation by MF Crypto, aka Quantstradamus, aka the Wife Changer, the #1 source for all your crypto needs. I'll see you next episode. Cheers.